series 10 most important things to speak in English. Part 4, think in English. Now you have two options, either पूरी life translation के through English सीखे और start thinking in English. That's the second option. I had chosen the second one and that one choice changed everything for me. Now let's understand this through this brain diagram. So our brain have two parts. Our left brain is more related to logical thinking and the right brain is more related to creative thinking. And when you are in translation mode, our left brain works, which is quite logical, wired and loaded. But when you start thinking in English, our right brain works with a smooth flow because learning a language is quite a creative part. But again, how to do that? Don't worry, follow these steps. First one, talk to yourself in English. Like, Aman, you're not thinking right. This is not gonna work. You have to come with better solution. Second one, react in English. अगर आपने इंग्लिश में सोचना शुरू कर दिया है तो अगर आपने रात में कोई डरावना सपना देखा तो आपके मुंह से क्या निकलेगा? Oh my goodness, what was that? It was scary. But अगर आप हिंदी में सोच रहे हो, you will say, हे भगवान. Third one, narrate your day in English. Like, I'm brushing my teeth, time to eat, I'm leaving for school. Number 4, learning chunks, not words. What are chunks? Chunks are group of words like phrases. So when you use these chunks, you get some time to think what are you gonna say after that. Like you can say, let me think, you know what, at the end of the day. Number 5, you can also decide some time zone for English. Like in a morning walk, you only listen some English podcast, or you can decide at the bedtime or at the whenever you use your phone, you will watch something in English so that you can learn something. Just remember, fluency doesn't start from your mouth, it starts from your mind. So train your thoughts and speak with power. Guess what will be our part 5 and write in the comment section and follow the English voice of Aman Raman. Stay tuned for more.